It is time to pay. Penniless and full of greed, you're unworthy of charity, tangled in antics of liberty. No cause because its cause is empty. Painted with 1 million fingerprints, exchanged nationwide. The all-powerful, the supreme, the green. It builds character and makes man a thief, defies all law, enslaves you and me. It stokes the flame in the rich seed, to quote the ribs of the unfed breed. Without true meaning, it devours us. The almighty, the endless, the green. Has one mission, to kill serenity, or to build an empire for the unfree, eroding forests where life used to be, and eradicating deity. The planet bows to this without mercy. The people devour this, starving their country. The fight is hopeless. Can you not see? Yeah. You know that it owns us, the tormentor, the